जरूर राखो आमी बरे आमी बरेली नजरू राखो आमी वीर पुरवारा बापा रे दर्शन दर्शन आप शुक्राता को वीरपुरवारा बापा रे आमी बरे जो आमी चरण कमल मां श्री वंदन करो श्री जलराम रे चरण कमल मां शीश नवाई वंदन करो श्री जलराम रे दया करीनी भगती दीजो दया करीनी भगती दीजो वीरपुरवारा बापा रे आमी बरेली आमी बरेली वीरपुरवारा बापा रे जलराम जलराम जलिया जलराम 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 everybody chant जलराम 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 जलिया जलराम 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 जलिया जलराम 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 जलिया जलराम 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 जलिया जलराम बोलो जलराम जलराम जलिया जलराम 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 जलिया जलराम 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 जलिया जलराम प्रेम तुझी जलाराम बाबा की जय सीतापति रामचंद्र भगवान की कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की Let me take this opportunity to once again welcome each and every one of you here today. कौन पहले बार आए हैं? Is there anyone who has come for the first time to Ram Mandir today? Please put your hands up. Let's give them a wonderful round of applause, please. We welcome you to Sri Ram Mandir and please do join us as often as you can. We're very happy to see some people who are renewing acquaintances after a long time. And we're seeing new devotees who have come maybe once or twice and are now returning regularly. It is wonderful to have all of you here. Let me remind you that this mandir is open 7 days a week, 15 hours a day. I must tell you that I travel very frequently, although you may not know this, because I'm here every Sunday. And interestingly, there's never a time when I've gone to the airport when I did not meet one or two or many more people from the mandir. I think they're all working at the airport. Or they're right at the airport. Well, interestingly, I was in Edmonton this week, and I'm in the terminal and I'm just waiting to board the aircraft, and someone, Panditji Sitaram, a devotee from the mandir who's working as an airline stewardess, is there. So even in Edmonton, and of course Toronto, there's always somebody that's there greeting, meeting. No disguise protects us from when we go. And I'm sure all of you will become popular faces too, since you're all on YouTube. And people will say, oh, sir, are you at Ram Mandir? I know you from there. Or they look at you strangely and says, you look like that person. I've had that also. When some child is holding on to mother's hand and saying, Mom, it's him, it's him. And this is when I have a suit and tie on. It's him. And the mother says, who? But the child recognizes me, but the mother doesn't. Once again, Preeti Bhojan was not sponsored by anyone today, but the mandir has prepared Bhojan. Remember, there are still dates available for you to make sponsorship, and it doesn't have to be one person sponsoring, but it gives an opportunity to every family, maybe 2 or 3 families, to come together and to do puja on a Sunday morning. Please take advantage of this opportunity. Our food drive is moving very, very briskly, and I think, how many tons of food we have now? You haven't faint decided. Well, we'll be giving at least about 30 sacks of flour, at least 30 to 40 sacks. I'm sure that's going to add up to quite a lot. And please do contribute to the food bank. There's a great need in Ontario for people who are in need, especially food. There are many people who are on the poverty line. Let me explain what that means. People might be earning a salary, but not enough to continue to live what was called a comfortable level. And as such, many of us are, of course, earning salaries where we live above the comfort level line. So we must think of those who are less fortunate and see what we can do to help them. Volunteer orientation. These are our volunteers. You know, how many of you read the Globe and Mail newspaper? Anybody here? How many of you read the newspaper? Nobody reads. Any of my young, you read the newspaper? Which one do you read? Globe and Mail? Did you happen to notice an article in the Globe and Mail last week whereby the president of the Bank of Canada, what is he, president, CEO, I think, of Bank of Canada, asked a question. And the question was, should we allow our young people to work for free? You remember that? Yeah. What was he talking about? Anybody knows? What? You're mumbling. Tell me, Sunita, take the microphone.
Volunteer. They were talking about volunteer.
He was talking about people volunteering, and he said that young people should volunteer. Why?
Give them experience.
So they can gain some experience that when they go out into the world and they have their MA and their BA and their PhD and all of their CA, that they haven't forgotten the H, the human skills, the HS, the human skills, because they don't learn that in university. And in volunteering, they get exposed to all of these skills. Conflict resolution, team building, confidence building, motivation, and communication, how to communicate. By the way, some of our young people can speak very eloquently, but you can't understand a word they said. Posture, how to present ourselves. All of these basic things that you don't get taught in there's no grooming school for people's skills. There's academies that teach you philosophy and sciences and all of that and technology. But the people skills, which we talked about today in our kata, that you can learn during volunteering. And by the way, there's no age restriction. That is, you've got to be over 12 at least. We don't want to be charged with child labor. Okay? Over 12. And everybody can volunteer. And by the way, coming to Mandir on Sunday morning is not volunteering. Some of us think that's what it is. I've had requests to people, Panditji, I come Sunday morning to Mandir. Can I get volunteer hours for that? We'll talk to God about that. Prem se Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. So everybody don't sign up at the same time. The office will not be able to handle this traffic. Go at different times and sign up and fill the form up. If there's about 200 of you, 300 of you here, and if everyone signs up for volunteer, by the way, seniors can also volunteer. We will not give you difficult work to do. There's so much wonderful work that you can do. You know how to project love and care and understanding more than anything else. You can teach our young people that in some programs that we'll put together. So we're looking for volunteers. Navgraha Puja is on November 29th. Please note the date. How many of you have noticed our new sign that the Pandits have on the wall? Pandit Rampasad, can you bring it to their attention? Please stand up over there. Show them how it works. See that? This is what you call high-tech Pandits. No, we want to make sure you get the message. If you can't see them, we'll flash it at you. Right? So take the time to read and ask questions, see the information. If you don't have information, talk to the Pandits. They'll make sure the information is there for you. So we thank you for being here today, and we ask those of you who brought prasad to come forward. We shall offer bhog.
दुर्योधन को